You're 28 years old. You have a decent job, a savings account, and you pay your bills on time. By every societal standard, you're winning. But here is the uncomfortable truth. You have no idea how far behind you actually are. Welcome to Money Talks Money. Today, we are breaking down the invisible system designed to keep you working until you're 70 and exactly how to break out of it. Let's start with the biggest lie you've ever been told. The lie that loyalty pays off. You show up early, you hit your deadlines, you solve problems quietly. Your manager trusts you, and you think this is progress. It isn't. What you've actually done is built a trap. You see, when you're highly reliable, you become expensive to move. Replacing someone who is quietly competent is a nightmare. It creates risk and more work for management. So they keep you exactly where you are. They give you a 3% raise, call it a solid year, and hand you more responsibilities. But while you're waiting for fairness, the person who just got hired from the outside is making 20% more than you for the exact same work. This is the loyalty penalty. The longer you stay, the cheaper you become to the system. The wealthy understand one thing that most people never figure out. Wealth is not what you spend, it's what you don't spend. Success isn't a bigger salary, it's the freedom to wake up on a Tuesday and realize you don't have to go to work if you don't want to. If you're ready to stop playing a game you were set up to lose, hit the subscribe button. We're decoding the real rules of money every single week. See you in the next one.